This was my birthday cake, and I was going for a very rich and decadent chocolate cake, of which I have the recipe up on my channel. I also have the frosting recipe up on my channel, and I was going for a very rustic look. We are going to be frosting this cake, and let's first have a taste test, then we can proceed. And I can say that the cake was as tasty as it looks. Feel free to make an order. The details are going to be in the description box, and it's a guarantee that you're going to love the experience.
Whoa, look at this. This looks so yummy. Um, mm, 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 mm.
At this particular time, I didn't have any equipment that I could use to decorate my cake, so I was just going with what was available. And just to mention, everything is well disinfected and well cleaned, and I hope you enjoy. So this video mainly shows you that you can decorate without any decorating equipment. So let's get into the video.
Searching for a longer day, people feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
muimbe, mwenye haimbi hakuna kula keki, sawa?
Kata keki sina ugali.